Welcome to this rapid global tutorial video for the incident reporting package. My name is Jared, and in this video I will show you how to create and submit a new incident report. To add a new incident report, select the blue Add New Incident Report button from the dashboard. As you fill out the relevant sections, make sure you click the Next button on each section to save the information that you have put in that section. When adding people, ensure you always search for them first, using the search field and the drop-down menu. If they are not present there, you can add them as a new person using the Add New Person function. When you have finished, select the blue Review icon at the bottom right of the screen. If there are any mandatory areas that have been missed, it will bring you back to them and they must be completed for the incident report to be submitted. After completing all the mandatory areas, you can click Review, review the report, and then submit the report. Thanks for watching this guide on creating a new incident report, and we'll see you again in another rapid global tutorial.